Cashier, ilang ano cashier. Tapos wala, ay may bibi. May bibi siya. Oh, may bibi. Bye-bye, sister. Okay, brother Arshas, thank you so much, yeah. I am a teacher and priest on nails business and I do nails extension. Wow, sister. It's very nice, sister. You can... So, playing your second video, yeah? On the, kay ma'am, kay ma'am Sadi Mix is second video niya sa, luluto ng itlog. Yung, ang una doon, itlog, tapos to, yung hotdog. Tapos, I also sell online, Instagram. Wow! Businesswoman, teacher and businesswoman.